Hallo Kinder, wie geht's euch? Hoffentlich gut. Heute beginnen wir mit dem Lektion 5. Lektion 5 heißt Freizeit, Hobbys und Ferien. In this chapter, we are going to learn about Freizeitaktivitäten, free time activities, hobbies and vacation locations, or how we travel to that particular location. So all these things we are going to learn in lesson 5. So let's start. So beginnen wir mit dem Lektion 5. Freizeit, Hobbys und Ferien. Learning objectives of this chapter are to speak about free time and free time activities. Über Reiseziele und Sehenswürdigkeiten sprechen, to speak about tourist destinations and tourist places. Reisen beschreiben, to describe the tours. Über Vergangenes sprechen, to speak about the past tense. So in this chapter we are going to learn perfect tense. So now these are the two basic questions which can be asked in your question number 1 also. Was sind eure Hobbys? Was macht ihr in eurer Freizeit? These questions we will discuss in our live class. What are your hobbies or what do you do in your free time? So that will be discussed in our live class. Aufgabe 5a1 Freizeitaktivitäten und Hobbys. Here few free time activities and hobbies are given. So I will read and tell you the meanings of the same. Schwimmen, to swim. Karate machen, to do karate, Geige spielen, to play violin. Gedichte schreiben, to write poems. Malen, to draw. Basteln is to do some craft work. Lesen is to read. Computerspiele spielen, to play computer games. Yoga machen, to do yoga. Nähen is to stitch. Einen Kochkurs besuchen, to visit a cooking course. Cricket spielen, to play cricket. Stricken, to do knitting. Münzen und Geldscheine sammeln, to collect coins and currency notes. Geldscheine is currency notes. Ski fahren, to do skiing. In Kino gehen, to go in the cinema hall. Tanzen, to dance. Rätsel lösen is to solve puzzle. Schach spielen, to play chess. Freunde treffen, to meet friends. Musik hören, to hear music. Ein Museum besuchen, to visit a museum. Fotoalben anschauen, to see the photo albums. The most important thing is given in this box. Hobbys muss man kultivieren. Freizeitaktivitäten brauchen nur Zeit. Hobbies must be cultivated and free time activities need a specific time. For example, Geige spielen, Münzen, Geldscheine sammeln. This needs to be cultivated. These are hobbies. But photo album anschauen or Freunde treffen, Fernsehen, these are the activities which we do in free time. So they are called as Freizeitaktivität. Now we will we will sort these activities into hobbies and Freizeitaktivität. So let's start. So sind Freizeitaktivitäten und Hobbys gleich? Was glaubst du? We have just seen that Freizeitaktivitäten und Hobbys sind nicht gleich. They are not same. Freizeitaktivitäten brauchen nur Zeit and hobbies must be cultivated. So now you need to sort the given hobbies or free time activities in the correct, sort them in the correct category. For example, few I will show you and then the remaining ones you can do. Schwimmen can be cultivated, so it is hobby. Karate machen also hobby. Geige spielen hobby. Gedicht schreiben can be done in free time activity or it is a hobby. Malen also can be the hobby. Basteln, yes, it can be cultivated. Lesen, it is the free time activity. You cannot cultivate in reading. Computerspiele spielen, it is free time activity. So similarly, you need to sort these activities or hobbies in the correct category. So the remaining ones we will do in our live class. Now these questions, wann hast du Freizeit, welche Hobbys hast du, was magst du in deiner Freizeit? This question can be asked in question number 1 in personal response question. What Vocabulary, you can use it. Wann hast du Freizeit? Abends. Früh am Morgen. Am Wochenende. Am Freitag. Maybe these questions could be asked together. Wann hast du Freizeit? Was machst du in deiner Freizeit? Ich habe Freizeit früh am Morgen. Deshalb mache ich Yoga in meiner Freizeit. Like this you can write. Mein Hobby is Briefmarken sammeln, to collect postal tickets, Klavier spielen, to play piano. In der Freizeit lese ich Krimis. Krimis is novels, thriller novels. Mit Freunden gehe ich in die Disco oder auf Wandern. So you need to check whether it is free time is asked or hobby is asked. Accordingly you need to write. If welche Hobbys hast du, then you need to write the hobbies, and was magst du in der Freizeit is asked, you need to write Freizeitaktivitäten. So be careful while writing these answers. Aufgabe 5a2. Was kann man an diesen Ferienorten machen? First we will see the Ferienorte, means vacation spots, and what you can do there, that is given in that box. So which are the was in Ferienorte? Am Strand, Strand means beach. In der Stadt, in the city. In den Bergen, in the mountains. In der Wüste, that is desert. Im Wald, forest. Im Meer is in the sea. So now you need to sort the given activities according to the Ferienort, the vacation spot. Wandern, for example, it is in den Bergen. Bergsteigen, in den Bergen. In der Sonne liegen, am Strand. Baden, im Meer. Schwimmen also im Meer. Sandbrücke bauen. That Sandbrücke means it is sand castles, to build sand castles. Naturally it is am Strand. Auf Kamelen reiten. Kamelen is camels, to ride on camels. So naturally it is in der Wüste. Eis essen also can be in der Wüste, or you can also eat it in der Stadt am Strand. It is okay, everywhere it is. Einkaufen in der Stadt. Spezialitäten probieren, that is also in der Stadt. Segeln is surfing, so it is im Meer. Ski fahren, it is in den Bergen, where snow is there maybe. Skateboard fahren, that is also in den Bergen. Then surfen, surfing im Meer. Eine Wüstensafari mit dem Jeep machen, a desert safari with a jeep to do it, in der Wüste. Pilze sammeln. Pilze actually means mushrooms, to collect mushrooms. So it will be im Wald. Picnic machen im Wald oder am Strand oder in der Stadt also possible. Zelten is to live in tents, so it is possible in den Bergen. Stadtrundfahrt machen, that is to do city tours, that is in der Stadt. Monumente besichtigen, to visit the monuments, it is in der Stadt. Verwandte besuchen, it can be your relatives must be living on the beach, it depends. So in der Stadt oder am Strand. In den Tempel gehen, that is also in der Stadt. So this exercise is important once again from question number 1 point of view. Was kann man in der Stadt machen? You need to write 2 marks question, you need to write at least 2 things. Man kann in der Stadt Stadtrundfahrt machen oder Monumente besichtigen. Write 2 things. Was kann man am Strand machen? So a 2 marks question, write at least 2 things. I hope this is clear to you. Kursbuch, Seite Nummer 83, typisch Deutsch. Do you know in every chapter they have given something typical German information. So we'll just read it for the sake of information. Germans are world champions in traveling. However, they are hard to please happy if their expectations are fulfilled. They are price conscious, though not misery. Yes, they like to travel. Basically, Germans like to travel. So in 2018, a foundation interviewed 4,000 tourists above 14 years and listed the following expectations from a perfect successful holiday. They have done one survey, and according to that survey, this is the result. For them, the most important thing is good benefits from the money invested. Second important thing, beautiful nature and hospitality. Third important thing is coziness. Fourth one is harmony and tasty food. Fifth one is peace and relaxation. Hardly 68% people do vacation for peace and relaxation. And sixth one is warm weather, sun and climate. So this is the result of that survey.